Hello students, today we are going to solve 13th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as a car follows a slow moving truck traveling at a speed of 10 meter per second on a two-lane two-way highway. The car reduces its speed to 10 meter per second and follows the truck maintaining a distance of 16 meter from the truck. On finding a clear gap in the opposing traffic stream, the car accelerates at an average rate of 4 meter per second square, overtakes the truck and returns to its original lane. When it returns to its original lane, the distance between the car and the truck is 16 meter, that is the space headway. Now the total distance covered by the car during this period from the time it leaves its lane and subsequently return to its lane after overtaking is. Now first of all we need to calculate the overtaking time. So overtaking time will be equals to under root of 4s upon a. We know this formula. Now we will put the value of space headway, that is 4 into 16 divided by value of acceleration, that is 4. After solving this, we will have the overtaking time equals to 4 seconds. Now distance travelled by the vehicle is S2, which will be equals to ut plus half of at square. Now the initial speed is given as 10 meter per second, so we will put here 10 into the value of t is given as 4 second plus half of the value of a is given as 4 and the value of t is calculated as 4. So after solving this, we will have the value of S2 equals to 72 meter. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much students.